Do you find it difficult to manage your data in Microsoft Excel? Are you struggling to make your spreadsheets look professional and easy to read? If so, you're in the right place. Hello and welcome to Wizcabin. In this video, we'll show you how to enter and edit data, format cells, apply conditional formatting, and use data validation to create efficient and visually appealing spreadsheets. So, grab your computer and let's get started. Let's start with entering and editing data. Excel provides several ways to enter data into your spreadsheet, including typing it in manually, copying and pasting from other sources, or importing data from a file. To enter data, click on the cell where you want to enter the data and start typing. You can also use the copy and paste commands to enter data quickly. Editing data is just as easy. Simply double-click on the cell that you want to edit, make the changes, and press Enter or Tab to move to the next cell. Now, let's move on to formatting cells. Formatting cells helps to make your data more readable and visually appealing. To format cells, select the cells that you want to format, and then click on the Home tab. You can then select the desired formatting options, such as font, font size, alignment, and borders. Conditional formatting allows you to highlight data based on specific conditions. For example, you can use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain values greater than a certain number, or cells that contain specific text. To apply conditional formatting, select the cells that you want to format, and then click on the Conditional Formatting button on the Home tab. From there, you can choose from a variety of predefined formats or create your own custom format. Data validation allows you to control the type of data that is entered into a cell. For example, you can use data validation to ensure that only numbers are entered into a specific cell, or to limit the number of characters that can be entered into a cell. To use data validation, select the cell or cells that you want to validate, and then click on the Data Validation button on the Data tab. From there, you can choose from a variety of validation rules, such as allowing only whole numbers, decimals, or specific text. That's it for the video on entering and editing data in Microsoft Excel. With these above-mentioned knowledge, you can create professional spreadsheets that are easy to read and analyze. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.